In today's video, I'm going to show you Shopify, how to fix missing Buy It Now button on product pages. If the Buy It Now button has disappeared from your Shopify product pages, don't worry, it's a common issue and can be fixed in just a few steps. The button lets customers skip the cart and go directly to checkout or use accelerated payment methods like ShopPay, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Let's go through the possible fixes. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Themes. Next to your live theme, click Customize here to open the theme editor. Now, open any product page in the preview and look for the product information block. Select it, and under the Buy Buttons section, you'll see a toggle called Show Dynamic Checkout button. If this option is unchecked, the Buy It Now button won't appear. Simply check the box and save your changes. If the button still doesn't show up, check whether you're using a third-party app or custom code that might be hiding it. For example, some apps that modify checkout or upsells can disable the dynamic checkout button by default. Try temporarily disabling such apps to see if the button reappears. Another common reason is your product settings. Go to Products in your Shopify admin, select the product in question, and make sure the product is active and visible on your online store sales channel. The product has inventory available. If the stock is zero and you don't allow purchases when out of stock, the Buy It Now button won't display. And that's it. Once it's back, your customers will again have a faster way to check out, boosting conversions and sales. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.